Hello everyone. I was just sitting in my balcony relaxing and I see these two birds drop by and started drinking nectar from the flowers of the aloe vera plant. Both flew away after they noticed me. I was sitting there and I went down to get water in a bowl mixed with sugar because I had seen videos of the birds drinking the sugar mixed with water and surprisingly it went to the bowl and started drinking the sugar syrup. I was so excited looking at it. I hope I keep getting these kind of birds every day as a visitor, as my guests.